Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet the sunflower granny square. The materials needed for this project is a 4-ply yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, a 3mm crochet hook, and pair of scissors. To begin, we're going to make a magic ring. Then chain 2. This will not count as a double crochet. And then make 10 double crochet stitches into the ring. And then tighten the ring and make a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet of the round. Then chain 2 and then double crochet increase and the same stitch. That means you're going to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. The next stitch, make a double crochet increase again. And then for all the stitches of this round, we're going to make a double crochet increase. Just continue making that until you reach the end of the round. Now we're almost done with this round. Make a slip stitch on the first DC of the round and then chain 2. And then at the same stitch, make a double crochet increase and then double crochet in the next. Double crochet increase and then double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet increase and double crochet in the next. Just repeat the pattern until you reach the end of this round. And then make a slip stitch and chain 2. In the same stitch, make a double crochet increase and then double crochet on the next 2 stitches. Double crochet increase and then double crochet in the next 2 stitches. double crochet increase, and then double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Just continue repeating that pattern until you reach the end of the round. Then make a slip stitch. Then fasten off. Then cut your yarn. Now we're gonna make the petals. We're gonna use the 3mm crochet hook for this. Then on this round we're going to work on the front loop only and don't include the back loop. So first make a chain 1 and then single crochet in that stitch, and then on the same stitch make a double crochet, and then on the next stitch, working in the front loop only, make a triple crochet, and then another triple crochet. So for this stitch make 2 triple crochet, and then chain 2, and then make a picot, and then in the next stitch make 2 triple crochet, then in the next stitch make a double crochet and a single crochet. So I'm gonna repeat that pattern later. I'm gonna cut this yarn first. Next stitch make a single crochet and a double crochet, and then on the next stitch make 2 triple crochet, and then make a picot, chain 2, and then slip stitch to make a picot, and then on the next stitch make 2 triple crochet, and then on the next stitch make a double crochet and a single crochet. Just gonna repeat that pattern until you reach the end of the round. We're almost done with this round. Single crochet, double crochet, and then the next stitch make 2 triple crochet. Then make a picot, and then in the next stitch make 2 triple crochet. And then on the next stitch make a double crochet and a single crochet. And then slip stitch on the first single crochet of the round. Then fasten off this yarn and cut it. Next, we're gonna use the white yarn and then change our hook to 2.5mm, and then we're gonna work on the back loop only, this one right here, and then chain 3. This will act as a double crochet, and then on the same stitch make 2 double crochet. And then on the next 8 stitches make a double crochet. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm gonna cut this yarn here. And then the next stitch make 3 double crochet. Then chain 1, and the next stitch make 3 double crochet. And then double crochet in the next 8 stitches. So the pattern for this round is 3 double crochet on the same stitch, and then double crochet in the next 8 stitches, and then double crochet 3 on the next stitch, and then chain 1. Just repeat the pattern until you reach the end of this round, and then slip stitch on top of the chain 3 that acts as a double crochet. Next, make a chain 3. This will act as a double crochet, and then on the same stitch make 2 double crochet. And then on the next stitches make a double crochet except the last stitch. And then in the last stitch, make 3 double crochet. And then chain 1. And then on the first stitch, make 3 double crochet. And then double crochet in the next stitches except for the last stitch. Just repeat the pattern until you reach the end, and then slip stitch on top of the first chain 3 that acts as a double crochet of this round. Next, chain 3, and then make 2 double crochet in this stitch. Then the pattern will be the same from the last round. Just make a double crochet except for the last stitch. And then make 3 double crochet. And then chain 1. Then 3 double crochet in this stitch. And then double crochet in the next stitches, and then just repeat that pattern until you reach the end. Then fasten off. Now you're done making your sunflower granny square. Now we're done making our sunflower granny square. I hope that you find this tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also in my social media accounts. I'll be posting the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching our video, and I'll see you in the next one.